This is Mr. M R full stop then Alex ALEX.
Obuhabuzi bw'okwihiraho kimwe omushoro aha barikukozesa bariho buremu Mark n'obuhungiro okuruga omu NUDIPU yakuhayo byaba n'aha ebikwato by'abashomesa abatiire omu mashomero ana agarunzire kubangura abantu abaineho oburema n'abandi beegi kyete Inclusive Education aha St Charles Ruhanga High School Kashekuro, Kagazi Primary, Bugonji Primary hamwe na Isheke Unit of Handicapped gono mu district ya Shema aharikwenda ebirikukozesebwa byihaho omushoro.
Ishime kwihiraho omushoro kimwe ha bintu eby'abaana biine oburema ninga eby'abantu abalema barakujaki barakozesa kwihakwasa ekiiha omushoro ha motoka z'abalema abaki abo oburema burarebeka mu rujungu obu tureta physical.
Okwihaho omushoro nikiija kuyamba aha kusya hiiha obuheereza aha bantu b'ekikorwa ekyo ahabw'okuba obukyene bukiri bwingi okurugiirira ahari maaka.
Abaana abaine oburema mwana yazaagwa atarahweza ninga atarahurira muzeire kyanza kuteekyereza ni kumutwara mu ishomero ery'abandi baana abatarahurira ninga abandi baana abatarahweza kwokka twareba ikwenka ekitongole kyanu dipe kirakurira abantu boona bino oburema mu mibiri yabo twareba kiri nk'ekihome kutwara omuntu kumwiha mu kyaro kyeye okamutwara ahari okwempaho kugira ngu amashomero agandi tigarasa kumujaki kumu accommodating.
Ahishomero nka St Charles Ruhanga High School Kashekuro ihuriro egi yatandikire omwaka oguhwire n'obu bashomesa babaire batiine bukwato empindahinduka neerebuka.
Sivite yatandikire so far twayinoringira abaana abakurenga omuri 20 kandi abaine oburema butari bumwe na mwambiro gwabo mu categories ezitwine twinehomwe abaana abaine albinism ningashi tweta abanyamago mu rurimi rw'ito rw'Orunyankore, twinoho abaana abaine physical disability ningashi abaine okutatamburaje okutakwataje, twinoho abaana abaine visual impairments.
The program was rolled out beginning with last year 2025, but now it is coming to real implementation. They sent the staff to help those learners with special educational needs, but they had not yet gotten the instruments to use to facilitate them to learn and facilitate the teachers to teach.
Atyo Isaka Msime, chairman wa NUDIPU awa district ya Shema, niko kujumirira abakiri kushereka abaana aha nkondo z'ebitanda ekintu ekiri kubatirira obugabe bwabo.
Omuntu weena arazare nanga ino mwana omurema omuka umurete tumuherwensi omwana omurema wamushereka omukano washereka ebizibu bingi kandi ko kumwiyayo wamuteka omu ishomero yashoma nobasa kumwenyumirizamu nobasa kumwesimisa eza kwakivinga mweshiri mu muryango tata hona hati tata yandeba nakishereka.
Aho niho omwe omu bashomesa oine obuzibu omu kureba yashobora ku ebyahebwa biine kukoresibwa aho omurambuzi w'ishomero okuruga omu minisitule y'ebyobwegyese yateerera omuranga.
We used to move together and well, I believe we shall reach at a very, very high step really, and I'm very optimistic. As a living example who has been blind I think for the last 18 years now, because I was one-sighted, of course I lost my sight but at least I'm now somewhere.
Coming on board to make sure that learners get these equipments in this school. St. Charles Ruhanga head teacher of St. Charles Ruhanga, you have a task ahead to take care of these machines and make use of them, and where possible in your school budget you can push there something to continue maybe providing more that is not here.
Engendereho y'ihanga okurabira omu act yakozire omu mwaka gwa 2006 nehereza obugabe bwabo abariho oburema mbiri okwingana nabo abatiine aho ehuriro ya Inclusive Education obwahati kurabira omu NUDIPU ereetiire amashomero agacuucirwe omu district nka Shema hamwe na Kamwenje kuruga omu mwaka oguhwire gakora eby'omutaano. Amakuru agagasha kwa Gerard Tugume abwatayari Wesito Murishema.
Deputy head teacher, teachers around plus students at large. A good evening to you.